myself ate some fucking cake while I was telling y'all that I got over my first love, but I didn't fucking
Okay. Alright, so guys, and reading emotions. This is from group chat, of course. Actually, description. So this is to response to group chat. Guys reading emotion and showing
that's why
signs
go as big as
of
they do.
it.
But
Just simple melody. I have no idea if I can answer this really well. I mean, I think I can. I think I had my relationships were like marriages. So basically, all of us are emotional, and all of us aren't. Basically, all of us are emotional, and all of us aren't. It's being with the right person that is emotional where you aren't, and where I'm emotional, he isn't. That's basically it. In a cutesy way, like, okay, if I had to put myself in a guy's shoes and I just watched my car hit by a fucker coming out of the driveway, and I'm at a fucking stop sign. And it's like, this actually happened, I'm sorry. It happened to my boyfriend. And we tag teamed this fucker.
I was like, I'm not business. Like, you're not trying to fuck over me, my man. Like, excuse me?
Okay.
You had to hold me back in negotiations.
If I was my boyfriend in that, my ex-boyfriend in that scenario, and he didn't cry, but let's say he did cry, like, I'd understand. For a woman, it's like watching all your makeup fall on the fucking floor. Fall on the fucking floor. Okay? You're going to cry because you know you just lost $400, $500 there. For a guy with a car, fixing the damage is about $500. So he's going to cry. The guy cries about his car. I am happy about that, because then he sees value in money that he cries, and it's about his car. So if you lost all your fucking makeup and it was $500 fucking and you don't cry, and I'm your boyfriend, I'm gonna be fucking pissed. Like, bitch. You think you're just gonna spend $500 more and not realize that you just lost $500 on the floor?
straight fat and cake.
I can get it. I see my mom. I have a woman in my life. I have my mom and my sister. I take care of them like I'm a penis. So, get it. I'm gonna stop doing that. I'm just gonna be a guy friend, not that fucking husband. Well, I don't know if I can stop doing that. That's just what I am. This also goes to his Chivalry is Dead group chat video. Okay. I can also talk about that. There's some women out there like me. I don't know where you are, but find me. Talk to me. Message me. Subscribe to me. Comment if you are a girl and you're stuck with the dick in your pants, but your vagina. Fucking find me, because I would like to be vaginas together. Right? Honestly, I don't even know if I can find y'all. I have to make y'all. that's fine too. Who's willing? Who's willing? Who's willing to learn from my experiences? Subscribe. Fucking comment. Fucking like. Message me. I want to help you act like me. I want you to listen to me. If you want to, and if you don't, I'm gonna let you know why you should, and then you take that as you please. You may unsubscribe, or you may keep scrolling down my videos.